I'm so ready for my birthday. Before I start, I wanted to thank everyone for wishing me on my birthday. It was very, very sweet of each and every single person to wish me and take their time off to message me. It was really kind and sweet, and I'm very happy and I'm blessed that I have you all around me. Very simple makeup, and for that look I really don't need much of this stuff. It would be very easy. I'm gonna do a little glitter, little simple eye makeup. For a primer, I'm taking a Smashbox, the original photo finish, smoothing in. So first I'll apply this all over my eyelid a little bit. I'm gonna take a concealer which is too light for my skin, like 3 shades lighter than my actual skin, almost a white. So I'm gonna take this and I'll apply a little bit, like I don't want too much over here, so that the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. It's remastered, Rose Gold palette remastered. So apply this one all over, not all over, the crease line and a little below. So I'm gonna take this. I wish I could. So I'm taking this rose gold, a very beautiful rose gold. I'll swatch everything on my finger and I will show you how this looks. So I'm just applying in the inner corner and in the middle. This is how I really like it right now. And I'll add a little bit of a pink diamond and I'm gonna put it over here. It won't change much of the previous color, but I like that silver shimmering stuff in there. So this is it. So once this primer is like applied all over my face equally, so I'll take a small tray thing and I'm gonna pop this Loreal Paris True Match. I'm in the color Golden Ombre. I'm gonna put one pump of this and I'm going to use Too Faced Born This Way foundation in color brown warm beige. So these two colors are going to be mixed while applying it. The brushes I use, I'm going to mix it, make it a good form, and I'm going to just apply it. I'm gonna take my Nykaa Beauty Blender, which I always use. It's a little damp. I'm gonna the True Match concealer, which I applied for my eyes. It's a golden beige, and I'm gonna put it a little bit over here and over here because I don't want too much of concealer on my face. And I'm gonna take this foundation, this beauty blender, I don't know which brand is this one, and I'm gonna tap it over here to here. Concealer thing, what we say, beauty blender, I'm gonna apply it over here a little bit because I don't, and a little bit here and here. The one which you always get wrinkles or lines. LA Girl Pro Concealer in color Toasty, right? That's the color name. And I'm gonna take a brush and I'm gonna like warm this thing because it's come too much sometimes. And I'm like putting this away in this lines. You can see like a little bit. And always be careful with applying. The way you are applying, it's gonna blend in that way. Because I have a habit of it and then it's screwed up. I have to be very careful while going to do it. And to blend this out, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild P50 and I'm going to like carve this out. I don't know, shape this or blend this. So this is my jaw. I'll do the same here. So after this, I'm gonna to put a powder contour. I'm gonna use this LA Girl Pro contour powder. They have a highlighter and contour. It's very reasonable, like this. I'm gonna like write down the price and everything in the link. I'll do that. I'm taking a same brush and taking this product like so. Remove the excess and just apply it like as if you always do it. And once it's done, so I feel like if anything is left, I'm gonna like make sure no products left with the same brush, and I'm gonna like slowly tap it. So once it's done, I'm taking a little bit of a kabuki brush kind of thing. It's from Europe Girl 14, and I'm like tapping it and like removing it. So once this is all done, I'm gonna take my first, what we use this guy, Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette again, and I'm taking a same brush and I'm gonna take this pink and I'm gonna apply under my eyes. So now I'm taking a little bit of a man eater and I'm going to add a little bit over here. So I was saying this, I'm gonna take my eyelash curler and I'm gonna curl it after putting mascara, and then I'm gonna put one more layer of mascara. So I'm gonna take, because it's too much glitter and all, I'm gonna take this white color press thing, the big three from Colourpop. This is pressed eyeshadow, and I'm gonna like, this is the one which I use for my inner corner always, and I'll take a brush. I'm taking this random brush with a flat front, and I'm gonna apply this in the inner corner. So if you want, you can like, if you want, you don't need to add lashes, but I feel like lash change everything. I love eyelashes. So today I'm gonna use this Pro Art, I can't pronounce this brand name. So I'm gonna apply this lashes of this brand. And before applying it, I just wanted to finish my complete face look. So for the blush, where are you blush? For the blush, I'm taking my all-time favorite. Glam on Face. After applying the blush on my face, I'm taking up Becca Shimmer Skin Perfect Press. This is a rose gold highlighter, and this is one of my favorite highlighter. I had used several times. This is how it looks. This is very nice, very pretty, and I love this color. And I'm taking my Vega fan brush and I'm gonna like layer it up. I'm like And I'm going to add one more highlighter because it's my birthday and I want more highlighter. I'm taking this chocolate. This. It has a little broke because it fall down that good. I love Makeup Bronze and Shine. This is Revolution. This is from Makeup Revolution. And I'm taking a little bit of this and this. A little bit of this and this. So that's all glitter I'm going to put on my face right now. And now I'm going to add lashes. This is 03 Premium Lash. And this is how the lash look. And I'll apply it. So I just applied the lashes. Now I'm going to add, this lashes will take time to get properly fixed up. So I'll just apply, I'm going to add I'm going to add a little bit of a black kajal liner under my eyes to give a little bit defined above and the lower lashes both. Like, so I'm taking this and I'm going to apply in and the out of my This is how it looks. I'm taking a lip liner from Huda Beauty. It's a Get Rid of Calf brand, and I'm gonna outline my lips. For the lipstick, I'm gonna use. For the lipstick, I'm taking this L'Oreal Paris. Shade is 129 I Lead. This is a very good nude color lipstick. I love this lipstick. It's very nice. So after applying this lipstick, I'm taking my Smashbox Photo Finish Prime Water and I'm gonna apply. So I'll just quickly change into the dress what I planned for my birthday and I'll show you. So this is my final look. I'm gonna add up a little bit earrings. So for the heels, I am going to wear this from Although. This is my final look. So I just want to say that thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for subscribing me and supporting me and wishing me on my birthday. It was really sweet of you all for wishing me, and please do subscribe, share and comment. Let me know which part of video you liked it and comment about it. And you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and do subscribe here. Thank you so much. Bye.